Hello friends, today we discuss how to solve this question. This is the very important question of the geometry. We also discuss some important concepts which are useful to solving this problem. If you see this video completely, you are able to solving many questions similar to that. So without wasting time, start the video. First we discuss what is the question. Here you see question. In this question there are two lines. These lines and these lines are the parallel lines, and this is the a triangle. Here you see this is a triangle A, B and C. This is the triangle, and also this is the angle given that 96. So to find the value of the x, how to find value of the x? So now first we discuss what is the property of the parallel line. So after that we find this angle, and if we are able to finding this angle, so we also find this angle, and if we know this angle, now using simple property of the internal angle of the triangle, we calculate value of the x. Now first, what is the property of these two lines? Since we know that any two parallel lines, that means if this lines and this lines, and any two parallel lines and the third line cross these two parallel lines, then this angle and this angle are complementary. That means this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degrees. So here this angle, suppose this is the y angle, so 96 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So here if we solve this question, so y is equal to 180 degree minus 96. So this is the value given that 84 degree. This is the angle of y. Now discuss some other property, that if any two lines cross each other, that means these two lines cross each other, so this angle is equal to this angle, and according to this concept, this angle is y, so this is angle also y, so this is the angle of 84. Now discuss some property of the triangle, because these line in the triangle and these lines are equal, so this angle is equal to this angle. Since we know that any triangle have two sides equal, then their including angle, that means this angle is equal to this angle, so this is the also angle of 84. Now discuss how to find the value of x. Since we know that all the internal angle of any triangle sum equal to 180 degrees, so here we discuss 84 plus 84 plus x is equal to 180 degree. And if we transfer these two terms this side, so sign changes, because here this is the positive, so go this side and converted into negative sign, so 84 minus 84. Now subtract these two parts and we get simply value of the x equal to 12. This is the very simple question and can be solved using these basic concepts. If you want to see many other questions similar to that, you please follow my channel. Also subscribe my channel. If you want to see this video on Instagram and Facebook, so go to my description box and link given that. Thanks for watching.